Hello gamers, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we're gonna be air frying these fish sticks. So what we're gonna do is straightforward, just get this air fryer, and we're gonna open this up, and they're fish sticks. This is one of the cheapest ones I can find. Just put them in. Well, there we go. 250 grams. So how we're gonna make these ready? Just gonna fry them, and we're gonna set up a timer. We're gonna set up to 15, I think. There we go. Temperature. There we go, 195. And now we wait. 195°C, 15 minutes, fish sticks. We'll see how they do. See in 15 minutes or so, maybe earlier, just to see how they do. Alright, we are somewhere halfway through this. 7 minutes to go out of 15. So alright, looks good, but no color change, and I don't see it as dry on top. It's very shiny, so it needs to dry a little more, and hopefully in the remaining 7 minutes we're gonna have fish sticks ready. Alright, we got a sound going off. That means we are done with the fish sticks. Let's see how they look. I don't know, are they crunchy? Maybe it's too much oil. I don't know. I think it's fine. Yeah, they should be fine. There we go. That's fish sticks in an air fryer. I'm gonna turn this off. Come on. There we go. So we're gonna I will enjoy that, and you leave a like if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel for more cooking videos in the future.